I've done it again. I went through my... Oh, hello first. Hello. How are you? I have to do that again. As y'all know, if you watched the vlog from yesterday, that I had to combine 2 vlogs to make one. Then it was an editing issue where I had to get it under 15 minutes to be able to send from my phone, even though my YouTube channel is able to upload videos longer than 15 minutes. My phone won't allow it. So that was an issue. And after it got uploaded and everything, I put all the details and description, thumbnail, all that stuff on this morning. But I never deleted all that video and the movie that I made for YouTube. So when I got up today, I did my normal, hey, how y'all doing? Started, telling you guys what I was gonna do today, and then went about doing it. At one point, the camera stopped recording and said that my memory was low. Of course, I never deleted any of that stuff. Like a monkey, I left it on there. So I go to my movies and start deleting them all. I delete everything except for a little clip from yesterday, so I can put at the end of the vlog that says previous video. Everything else I deleted, including the stuff I had already recorded today. So I snapped it just now when I was going back and realized what I'd just done, and sure enough, deleted and 86th. Got me playing too much today or what? What are you eating besides that sofa cushion? What are you doing over there? Better not be chewing on that mattress. I even had a really good booger picking and story behind boogers, and what a shame. And it was like going with the moment, so to reenact it would be phony. But I'm telling you about it anyway. It was a good one. I was digging away and didn't realize it. Okay, well, now I don't know what I'm gonna do. I was working on this painting just a little bit, trying to get back into the groove of doing some work out here in this hot area. I'm gonna be setting up with the dogs. You guys, yeah. Setting up with the dogs again. Yeah, you. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, through the weekend. Hopefully I can find these guys homes before that long. I don't want to be out there for 80 days in a row, but if I have to, I will. I didn't want to be there today and tomorrow because it'll be really slow being Monday and Tuesday. I just don't think it would be a good decision to make. So I'm going to wait, do some painting next couple days, and then go back out on Wednesday. 2 of the dogs found homes, and that's wonderful. And now we just got 4 more to go. It's not very much, I got a couple leads on social media about people who are interested. I just hadn't spoken to them yet. So there's that. Also, thank you, Carlos, my brother, for letting me do what I did with the dogs out in front of his bar. I was right in front by the drive-thru, and so, thank you. That's quite a piece of hot real estate right there, and you allowing me to do this with the dogs is very special. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Okay. Hear that annoying buzzing? That's that little fan I keep on the desk to cool the computer off and blow some breeze at me. Excuse me. Well, I'm done for this evening, boys and girls. I'm already losing my spitch. So I'm gonna go inside, have dinner or supper, whichever you call it. Sometimes I call it supper, sometimes I call it dinner, sometimes I call it early, and go to bed. But I will be at it again tomorrow. Thank you for watching tonight. Hope you had a wonderful weekend. It's back to the grind as of Monday. That's today. I did a little bit more painting after I deleted all those videos, but you know, what are you gonna do? I'm not gonna write you a love song if you need one. You see, I'm not gonna write you a love song. Gonna have fun and I'm not gonna write you to say, hey, I can't sing. 4 more days. 4 more days. Suicide Squad. Can't wait to go see it. IMAXing it up. Me. Max. Get it? IMAX. Me. Just a little delirious. I'm still a little dehydrated. And I'm sleepy. It's nearly 10 p.m. and I'm ready. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Leave comments below. Criticize me all you want. I'll use that criticism to build an empire. Or quit making videos. Whichever one comes first. You're still here? Okay. Well, I'll talk at you later. Have a good night. Thank you.